They said we can pick it up.
The mirror? You're kidding.
No, and it's only 2 minutes away.
Well, get up. We're going.
Oh, crap.
Do you remember those shoes I ordered 3 weeks ago?
The vintage ones from that sketchy site?
Yeah, those. They still haven't come in yet. I think I'm gonna ask for a refund. What's that sound?
Wait, why does it sound like a little cartoon character with tiny little legs running really, really fast?
Or actually, like those tiny little birds.
Do you think we should hang the mirror in the living room or the entryway?
I was thinking entryway.
Really? I was thinking the living room. Okay, this time it's giving a bunch of mice on their way to an annual mice convention.
Or it's like someone's trying to screw this really big screw with this really small screwdriver.
Oh, that's a really good one. That's a really good one. I was thinking more like two frogs with a top hat and Oxford shoes on a really rusty bike. They have important places to be.
Wait, don't we have important places to be?
Oh yeah. Huh.
Where even are we?
I don't know. It says it's right here.
We've been walking for like 30 minutes.
I don't know.